about it, Is there anything you can do that the great and powerful Trixie can't? Well, little hayseed.
That's it! I can't stand for no more of this! You show her, AJ! Can your magical powers do this? Top that, Missy!
Oh, ye of little talent, watch and be amazed at the magic of Trixie. Once again, the great and powerful Trixie prevails.
There's no need to go strutting around and showing off like that.
Oh?
That's my job. They don't call me Rainbow and Dash for nothing.
When Trixie is through, the only thing they'll call you is loser. I think I'm gonna be sick. Seems like any pony with a dash of good sense would think twice before tussling with the great Trixie.
What we need is another unicorn to challenge her. Someone with some magic of her own.
Yeah, a unicorn to show this unicorn who's boss. A real unicorn to unicorn tussle.
Enough, all of you. I take your hint, but Rarity is above such nonsense. Rainbow Dash and Applejack may behave like ruffians, but Rarity conducts herself with beauty and grace.
Ooh, what's the matter? Afraid you'll get a hair out of place in that rat's nest you call a mane?
Oh, it is on. You may think you're tough with all of your so-called powers, but there is more to magic than your brutish ways. A unicorn needs to be more than just muscle. A unicorn needs to have style. A unicorn's not a unicorn without grace and beauty.
Rarity won't let Trixie get the best of her. She's strong, she's beautiful, she's...
Quick! I need a mirror! Get me a mirror! What did she do to my hair? I know she did something terrible to my hair!
Nothing.
It's fine. It's gorgeous.
It's green. What?
No! Green hair! Not green hair! Such an awful, awful color!
Well, I never. Well, Twilight, I guess it's up to you. Come on, show her what you're made of.
What do you mean? I'm nothing special.
Yes, you are. You're better than her.
I'm not better than anyone.
You think you're better than the great and powerful Trixie? You think you have more magical talent? Well, come on. Show Trixie what you've got. Show us all.
Who, me? I'm just your run-of-the-mill citizen of Ponyville. No powerful magic here. I think I hear my laundry calling. Sorry, gotta go.
Twilight?
Once again, the great and powerful Trixie has proven herself to be the most amazing unicorn in all of Equestria. Was there ever any doubt?